census, essentially counting all animals, those that are domestic, within the care of people and of course farms. The State Minister for Agriculture, Bright Ramirama, says the exercise will kick off on the 17th of May and has appealed to the public to comply.
The last livestock census was carried out in 2008. Others were conducted in 1963 and in 1990.
It has been accorded one of the highest priorities in agro-industrialization program under NDP 3, led by the Minister of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries. And we work closely with the Minister of Finance because this data is very, very important for planning purposes, particularly for the livestock sector. The last livestock census was conducted in 2008 and revealed that about 4.5 million households, 70.8%, rear at least one kind of livestock or poultry in Uganda.
Districts where counting of livestock will take place include Ntungamo, Mbarara, Isinjiro, Hoima, Masindi, Kiryandongo, Soroti, Palisa, Budaka, Bukedia, Rakai, Chotera, Simbabule, Gomba, Chiboga, Chankwanzi, Nakaseke, Doklo, Abim, Kotido and Nakapipirit, among others.
Land ownership and tenure systems will be of interest in this census. Total milk production, milk sold, and farm gate prices for livestock that produce milk. We shall get information on ownership by sex of livestock, main type of labor employed in the livestock sector by sex, main sources of water for the animals and farm equipment owned by the families, among others.
All stakeholders in the livestock sector have been called upon to embrace and support the exercise by providing accurate information. Minister Ramirama said the date will help guide investment decisions in order to improve productivity and income earnings from livestock earnings. It will also help in procurement of vaccines, medicines, water for production, and improve availability of agricultural extension services, among others.
ONU Uganda had undertaken a national livestock census. From this data and the twice yearly Uganda National Panel Survey, the study was able to estimate the contribution of livestock to agricultural GDP. The re-estimated livestock value added in 2009 was 1,069,407 billion, or about US dollars 526 million.
The census will generate data on population of all livestock types, including cattle, goats, sheep, pigs and poultry, production systems, access to veterinary extension services, landowner and tenure systems, total milk production and milk sold, ownership of livestock by sex, and main type of labor employed by sex, among others. Results from previous census indicate that Uganda had 3,767,871 livestock in 1965, which had increased to 11,408,740 by 2008. This story was compiled by Jaliat Namwaya for the news in Kampala.